Good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Jesse Hawila here with an update on the severe thunderstorm watch in effect for southern portions of North Texas. Now, I will tell you, Johnson and Ellis, most of the county right now is actually going to be in the clear. The front's through the area. If you go south, though, we certainly could see some gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour, some quarter-size hail potential. This watch until 8 p.m. I fully expect that that's going to get canceled much sooner than 8 p.m. for the WFAA viewing area. As we take a live look right now across North Texas, Dallas Baptist University, 62 degrees, just some light sprinkles falling across the area there. It looks like our camera's having a little bit of a rough time there. That's all right. We'll go here. 62 degrees the temperature now with calm winds. That's out at DFW. Dew points in the upper 50s. This is not conducive for severe weather. Dallas-Fort Worth area, this is light rain. A rumble of thunder. It's good sleeping weather. It's good weather for the lawns. That's really all it is here in the Metroplex. Really nice beneficial rain falling across all 4 counties in the Metroplex and then even into Rockwall and parts of Kaufman too. Some steadier, heavier rain up toward Fannin County and then into Lamar County. Here's our severe thunderstorm warned thunderstorm. That is for Hill County and parts of Bosque County. In fact, what we'll do is we'll zoom in just a tiny bit to get the information here. There it is. So Bosque, and when I say a very small portion of Ellis County, it's just west of Italy. It's such a tiny area. This is really Hill County. You know, it's from Hillsboro. Hillsboro is really the area that needs to be most concerned, and then down into the southern portion of Bosque and Hill County. So we'll track the strongest portion of this thunderstorm as it moves off to the east-southeast. So this will be in Carl's Corner at 223, Valley Mills at 240, Italy. It'll kind of clip your area around 248. Blooming Grove 320, and then it's kind of moving into central Texas after that. But if it holds together, it might move into Corsicana around 4 o'clock and Mejia shortly after that. So that again is our one lone thunderstorm that has a severe thunderstorm warning. The concern here in Hillsboro, this is coming to your area right now. You might see 60-mile-an-hour winds. You might see up to quarter-size hail. That's the risk. It's not a tornado risk. It's nothing more than and that's kind of the standard severe thunderstorm risk. That's where you get your limits, right? For a thunderstorm to be considered severe, it has to have quarter-size hail or larger and winds of 60 miles an hour or stronger. We're on the low end of that, so this is up to quarter-size and up to 60. But certainly some damaging wind gusts are going to be possible into Hillsboro coming here within the next less than 10 minutes. So that's a look at that thunderstorm. Elsewhere, where the front has come through and the rain has been falling much of the day, this is not severe. If you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, if you live near I-20 or north of I-20, no severe weather for the rest of the day. In fact, you could put that marker into most of Johnson and Ellis County too. Really, this is now shifting where you see that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Hillsboro. That's the area that could see some gusty winds and some small to quarter-size hail. Corsicana, you're going to still be included in that risk for severe weather. As this cluster of thunderstorms moves in your area, you haven't had any rain today, or at least any significant rain, so the atmosphere is still on tap. Still a lot of instability to work with as that moves through, so we will be watching that as it moves through. So by 5 o'clock, this complex of thunderstorms is moving out of North Texas. Oh, we heard a rumble of thunder here at the station. Just one. That was it. Still light rain. But you're going to get that, and that's why there have been delays at DFW and at Love Field. But if you look here, 5 o'clock, all the heavy stuff is to the southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, from Mejia over to Palestine, and then that's it. I said earlier, I highly suspect that the severe thunderstorm watch is going to be canceled much sooner than 8 p.m. for our viewing area. Maybe down toward Waco, it lasts a little bit longer. But for North Texas, we are really rapidly becoming in the clear of severe thunderstorms. And then tonight, this is 11 p.m. Partly cloudy skies at 11 p.m. for the overnight, mostly clear skies. And then by tomorrow, sunshine. This weekend looks spectacular. We have sunshine in the forecast both Saturday and Sunday, and really pleasant temperatures too, with highs in the mid-70s, light winds. If you don't get out, there's something wrong with you. It's going to be absolutely perfect this weekend. 74 Saturday, north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday 76 with an east wind of 5 to 10. Enjoy it. Lots of sunshine going through this weekend. And nice, these mornings too, soak those in while you can. We are in May. You are going to be longing for a morning of 54 degrees before long. Sunday 53, I promise. Before you know it, you're going to be waking up to those 80-degree mornings. You know those. You wake up at 78, it's 79, 80. We have refreshing mornings Saturday and Sunday with light winds. Enjoy it. Now, as we go through the weekend, we are quiet. Monday is also quiet. Clouds start to increase. And then on Tuesday, that's our next WFAA weather alert day for widespread rain and widespread heavy rain at times. A lot like today. I see very similar parameters for Tuesday. So what does that mean? A low end risk of severe weather, mainly just heavy rain. So the WFAA weather alert, that is for Tuesday. Right now, that appears to be mainly in the morning and early afternoon. Just like today, there could be up to quarter-size hail. There could be up to 60-mile-an-hour winds in a storm or two. I would say the better threat here, I'm not sure I would call it a threat, the impact, brief heavy rain like we're seeing today. So that could impact the Tuesday morning commute. Certainly the midday plans for Tuesday look to be the most impacted, but here's what you need to do. Stay updated, have a way to receive warnings, and keep tuned here to WFAA Plus on your TV. We will keep you updated. I'll show you what we're expecting as we go through the beginning of this week. So this is noon on Monday. Notice I showed you this weekend is quiet. Monday is also quiet. That's 12 p.m. The rain, thunderstorm activity stays well west of our area. We're talking the Panhandle. We're talking far west Texas. That's where thunderstorms will start to erupt. Some of those could be severe in the Panhandle on Monday night. Now as we get into Tuesday, that's when the rain starts moving into our vicinity. So this is 7 a.m. on Tuesday. Western portions of North Texas already seeing rain at this time. Then as we get into the mid-morning and midday, very similar to today. Morning, early afternoon on Tuesday. That looks to be the wettest time period for North Texas. So showers and storms expected Tuesday at noon across the area. But look what happens by 3 o'clock. You get into western North Texas, the rain comes to an end. For the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 5 or 6 p.m. the rain is coming to an end, and all of the rain is in East Texas by 7 p.m. We could pick up an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain with that batch of rain that's coming in on Tuesday, with again a really low risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. So tonight, the rain comes to an end. We'll have clearing skies. It'll be cool, 54 degrees. Enjoy the pleasant mornings. Tomorrow, 74 degrees, dry, pleasant, light winds, mostly sunny skies. I'll take you to the 14-day forecast to show you the beautiful weekend ahead. The nice Monday, too. Really no complaints. The winds pick up a little bit ahead of that storm system. Then on Tuesday, it's our WFAA weather alert. 78 degrees then, 79 on Wednesday. Thursday, 77. Those chances of rain Wednesday and Thursday, those will be much more scattered in nature. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, another little chance of rain. Next weekend, an important one. It's Mother's Day weekend. We'll see high temperatures close to 80 degrees and no chance of rain right now for Mother's Day. Let's keep it that way. And then the following week, a breather. Can you believe it? We may actually go several days without a chance of rain in North Texas, and that's not a bad thing this time of the year. I know we need rain, but we don't want the severe threat, so we'll at least take a breather as we get towards Mother's Day and the day after.